Bonfire night safety tips. Tip 1. If you're making a bonfire, make sure you build it well away from houses, garages, sheds, fences, overhead cables, trees and shrubs, and always away from fireworks.
Can we stop yet, Norman?
Yup, our bonfire will be miles away from danger here.
You found the perfect place. Well done, Norman.
Oh, thank you, Fireman Sam.
Come on, Elvis. Give Norman a hand. Bonfire night safety tips. Tip 2. When you build a bonfire, always
Fireman Sam!
What is it, Norman?
I've got the bonfire ready to light.
No, Norman. As I was about to say, you have to build your bonfire so it is stable. Like this.
I've got some petrol for the
And remember,
bonfire, Sam.
never light it with a flammable liquid.
No.
Bonfire night safety tips. Tip 3. If you're having a bonfire, make sure you keep everybody away from the fire.
Get back, everybody! Back! Get back from the fire! Oh, I can see you creeping forward, Trevor Evans. Oh, I've got a really good view now.
Children have to stand back as well, Norman. And be supervised at all times. Mrs. Chen?
Norman? Oh, no.
Bonfire night safety tips. Tip 4. When you build a bonfire, always make sure that you have a bucket of water or a fire extinguisher ready in case of emergencies.
Oh, will a garden hose do, Fireman Sam?
Perfect, Norman.
Oh, it's a light.
Ah, it's an emergency! Norman Price to the rescue! Ah!
Oh?
Bonfire night safety tips. Tip 5. And at the end of your bonfire party, pour water on the embers before leaving.
Don't worry, Fireman Sam. I've got a bucket of water. Ah!
Thank you, Norman. Bonfire night safety tips. Tip 6. Always keep your fireworks in a closed metal box and take them out one at a time.
I can't get it open.
That's 'cause it's my biscuit tin, Norman. You'll need the jaws of life to get in there. Nobody gets their hands on my custard creams.
This is the firework tin, Norman, and you shouldn't be going anywhere near it.
Oh, my custard creams.
Bonfire night safety tips. Tip 7. When using fireworks, always follow the instructions, and if it's dark, read them by torchlight, never a naked flame.
Put on a plate and slice carefully.
That's not a firework, Elvis. It's a chocolate Swiss roll.
Oh, must have come out of the bonfire night picnic.
Bonfire night safety tips. Tip 8. Always light fireworks at arm's length with a safety firework lighter.
Oh, no. It's gone out.
Don't worry, Norman. I'll relight it.
No, Elvis. You must never return to a lit firework.
Oh, but Fireman Sam, that firework will never go off. Oh.
Bonfire night safety tips. Tip 9. Always hold sparklers at arm's length and wear gloves when handling them. Once you've finished, put them in a bucket of water.
OK, Sam.
No, Elvis. The sparkler goes in the bucket, not the gloves.
Even I knew that, too. Whoa!
Bonfire night safety tips. Tip 10. On bonfire night, never give sparklers to children under 5.
Oh, does that mean I can have 2? Because I'm nearly 10.
You're not that close to 10, Norman.
OK, then, 1.5.
All right, I'll let you have 2, Norman, but don't tell any of the other children.
I won't, Sam.
And no running with sparklers.
All right, Sam. Ha! I'm the Sparkler King. I've got 2 sparklers.
But most important of all, enjoy your bonfire night.